YouTube. I'm here with the Ulefone Mix. Absolutely new design of the smartphones without bezels, all screen phone, which is amazing, just amazing. Ulefone Mix. Some of specifications. So okay. You can see the logo on the package too. Here we go. Ulefone Mix. It's a 5.5 HD IPS display without bezels, all screen, 8 cores with MediaTek 6750T, maybe turbo, 4 GB of RAM, LPDDR3 with 64 GB of internal storage, fingerprint ID. Here is the fingerprint scanner, Android 7.0, Nougat, 303,000 mAh battery, dual lenses camera, 30 megapixel plus 5 megapixel, and 5 megapixel of front-facing camera, 4G LTE, GPS, Bluetooth, GPS with GLONASS, hi-fi audio chipset. This one is the blue color. There's a black color too. As you can see, there is amazing effect, metallic blue. It comes with protective cover. You can see the effect. This is the plastic, but middle frame is the aluminum metal frame. Dual lenses, camera with bulky effect, dual LED flash, Ulefone model mix. .5 inch in 4.7-inch body, widescreen, not 18 by 9. It looks amazing. So okay, let's see other things in the box. SIM needle, additional protective screen protector, user manual and warranty card, USB cable, phone holder on the back, again gift and charger. Okay, there is no headphones. Anyway, So let's start device. Camera is in this side. 5 megapixel interpolated to 13 megapixel. LED notification, LED notification with wide sensor somewhere here. Dual SIM with dual standby. You can use only one SIM card. If you want to use the micro SD card, which can be used up to 256 gigabytes. So here is the fingerprint scanner, camera, earpiece, volume button, power button, volume rocker, 3.5 headphone jack, mono speaker in this side, main microphone, micro USB port, dual lenses camera, LED flash, but I can't see the noise cancellation microphone. Maybe doesn't have. For a start, it takes more time. Just wait, be patient. Okay, it's booted right now. So full support for languages, of course. You can add the fingerprint, the password. Okay, here is the scanner. Wow, here we go. Can you see this amazing screen? There is no bezels. It looks very, very, very cool compared to the phones with bezels. I like it. slicked corners, factory protective screen protector, maximum brightness. Wow, colors of display is vivid. Real colors. It comes with a pure Android without bloatwares, as you can see. There is no annoying apps. 64 GB, available around 54. 3 GB from around available. Let's see the camera. Oh, and camera is awesome. Video. This is the video test of the Ulefone Mix. Dual lenses camera. This is the video test of the Ulefone Mix. Dual lenses camera. Front facing camera. Let's check the sound. Let's see the OTG support. Yes, it supports OTG. Yes, okay. Let's see the speed of finger recognition. Ulefone brand say it's 0.1 second to recognition the finger. Oh yeah, it's very fast, as you can see. There need to be a double tap to unlock the screen. Future navigation bar, not. You can hide the navigation bar too. Like this. This is the LED notification. Yes, finger gesture too. Gesture wake up. Yep, it's work. Okay. There is a few other gestures, like this one to open the camera. See? Yes. Okay. There's FM radio, faster and smoother working. It's around $100 or 120. This Chinese brand Ulefone provides amazing performance and quality with this great display. As you can see, 4 GB of RAM, 8 cores, bezel-less, all-screen display. It's worth this price, absolutely. Okay guys, if you like my video, thumbs up, and see you on next video. Subscribe for more videos like this one too. See you.